How brain health shapes longevity. Longevity is not just about your heart, it's about your brain, because the brain regulates every system that determines how long and how well you live. You've seen it. Someone ages physically, but mentally remains sharp. Another declines cognitively, while the body still functions. Longevity isn't only about years, it's about preservation of system control. And the brain is the control center. If longevity is influenced by genetics and lifestyle, where does brain health fit into the equation? Can protecting your brain extend both lifespan and health span? The brain regulates hormonal balance, stress response, sleep architecture, metabolic signaling, inflammatory tone. The hypothalamus coordinates stress and energy. The prefrontal cortex regulates behavior. The limbic system shapes emotional resilience. When neural systems remain stable, physiological systems follow. Chronic neural stress dysregulates cortisol. Poor sleep impairs metabolic control. Cognitive overload increases inflammatory signaling. Brain health is upstream regulation, not downstream symptom. Longitudinal studies associate chronic stress exposure with increased risk of cardiovascular and metabolic disease. Sleep research links poor sleep quality with higher mortality risk. Neurodegenerative research emphasizes the role of metabolic and inflammatory health in cognitive decline. Brain health interacts with systemic longevity markers, so the brain isn't isolated from aging, it influences it. But there's a deeper connection. You notice that people who stay mentally engaged, remain active longer, maintain social connection, make healthier decisions, recover more effectively from setbacks. That's not coincidence. Cognition shapes behavior. Behavior shapes physiology. Brain health influences longevity through multiple pathways. Behavioral regulation. Strong executive function supports healthy habits. Stress modulation. Balanced limbic prefrontal interaction reduces chronic cortisol exposure. Sleep stability. Stable sleep supports glymphatic clearance and neural repair. Inflammation control. Neural regulation influences systemic inflammatory balance. Cognitive reserve. Repeated mental challenge builds resilience against decline. Longevity is not only structural durability of organs, it is preservation of system coordination. The brain orchestrates coordination. When coordination weakens, systemic stability declines. Protecting the brain protects the conductor. Brain health compounds: sleep, movement, cognitive challenge, emotional regulation, metabolic stability. These are not isolated habits. They are structural investments. Protecting your brain protects clarity, decision quality, behavioral discipline, resilience, adaptation. Longevity is systemic coherence over time. If you want long-term performance instead of short-term intensity, you need to understand the system that governs everything else. Subscribe to Vera Human. We explain the biology shaping human longevity.